Oh, I'm back. We bought a campervan. We've tried it. We've had a run out and tried it, and we're going to decided we want to stop campervan in, so we're going to sell caravan. As you go along, when you've got a caravan or a campervan, you jot a few jobs down that you want to do, change things. One of the things is, with me now with my knee and everything in my back, I've got to have a scooter. I can't walk far. There's my scooter. But what I'm doing today is, I bought these ramps. Now they're good solid ramps. They were about a ton. Aluminium. But they don't sit on there when the scooter's coming off. They'll slip onto the next leg and they twist the scooter and make it awkward. So I decided to do this. Put an L bracket on that. Slots into there. And it's got it. I'm just going to do this side now. It's been a pig. I've got a screw here that's been awkward. Went so far and then it snapped. That must have been a bad screw. So I'll just get that out. I have to put another one somewhere else, I think. Yeah, it's coming out now. I've got to make sure that the weight on it's not going to pull this rail back, you see. I've put plenty of screws in. That one's being a pig. That's still not having it. Anyway, I think it's coming. There it blows. Yeah. About it. Right, so we'll try and put another one in there. That one. That one. We'll try on that one then. Let's have a look. No, don't want it. Doesn't want it. Different place. Right. I'll put them on this side and all, in case I need to wheel something up into the back. So I can mute ramps both sides. Right, where we have one. Right, let's have that out. Sharpened by one. Have a look where we're going. There we go. That's got to come out again. Yeah, let's take this out. This has got to go in. Now we've got to do this other one. Put the old bracket on. Don't tell me I didn't bring it yet with me. I've left it in there. Never mind, because I've got a blue piece of one I've done earlier. It's here. Filming. You got it? It's this is cup of tea time. Get that knee that side. Taping measure and 180mm, 90mm. It doesn't really matter, central helps, but helps to balance. But strange, that's a bit offset. Yeah, I think we can do it there, you know. There's the drill. Bolt. So it comes. Little locking nuts. I don't know why I got my nut run on here. I have to turn it round when I get you in. There she comes. Come on, son. I don't want that up. Let the dog see her ready. Nearly it. Yeah, if you see her not moved any time, there's a peep beep. The van's called the Wanderer. There we go. Looking good. Number 2. It would have been better if these had popped rivets, but I've mislaid them, I can't find them anywhere. So, yeah. Right. Tighten them up. Whenever we're done, we just cut off the excess of the axle. I bought some new blades, backhoe blades, quite good as well. Not the usual toffee stuff. No, not the usual toffees. Now we should have to get the actual blades on them. Anyway. There we go. Not bad at all. Shark blade sparkle. Sparkle! Where are you, mate? Well, you know what it's like. Dog's having a bit of a wobble. Have a look. Any position. And that's it. That goes in there. There we go. May go out to about 8 foot, 7 foot something anyway. But I ain't got to worry about them dropping down now, you see. And so as I say, I've done them both this side so I can wheel stuff into that side if need be. But there we go. Yeah. It's coming on. We can still use it while we're ongoing. It's like living in your house. You do so much. But yeah. We are now ramped safely. Just hook them in there, go at the bottom, pull them out, and drive your machine down. And there's enough room in the middle to stand to break it, you know, from coming down. Because as you can imagine, it's a bit of a steep job. Yeah. Anyway, we've realised how we'd like it. So as we go along, I'm going to alter the bed. The fridge has got to go. It's a 240 fridge, sub-cold. I've got to have a 12 volt compressor fridge. When it's on, it eats my battery through inverter. But it's sound as a 240. Another way I'm going to go, I might go for another solar panel. I've already ordered a roof vent for it. I've got to put another window in back there. So just a minute. MOT arrived. Yeah, I've got to put another window inside. So I want to get it on logbook as a camper van. Reap the benefits insurance wise and tax, road tax. It's cheaper for MOT and all, because when I took it to MOT it says, is it down at logbook, mate, as a camper van? I said no. He said, well, it's been presented as a camper van or a motorhome, so I've got to charge you that fee, which is same as a car. So the road tax should be cheaper a little bit, but the insurance should be half of what it is. But it's not bad at 600. So yeah. Well, that's the end of this little episode. I don't know which number it is, but all this, what I've explained I'm going to do, I'm going to film it and you can watch me do it. I have been watching Love Sundays and all them on the tube on how to do things. This is how you get things done, by benchmarking. When you realise if you move something over you can make a bit of room there, or and all that, and that's how it is. But I'm a DIY man. I'm physically at the moment standing up and doing things. I can sit down and do things. I raised the bed 2 inches so I could get the scooter in, but I sat down and cut the wood and everything, and this was it. You see, I sat inside there with my chop saw there and all my tools, and I measured every one, cut it and screwed it in. It's some of the sound in my knee done. That's been cancelled again, by the way. It's been put back 26th of July now. At least I can have a Guinness and some Jamesons on my birthday. Yeah. Anyway, next one, it'll be an alteration to the vehicle, to the camper van. So keep watching, and it's our adventures in We Bought a Camper Van. It's very good and all. So only one thing left to say. See you later.